Making modern software is hard, and to satisfy modern users, companies need to speed up the software development lifecycle. Because of this, reliable software testing is now more important than ever for engineers and product managers. Improving product quality while speeding up release cycles just isn't possible without automated testing. To get that done, we developed Autify, an AI-powered test automation platform. By using Autify, you can simplify your testing by recording new test scenarios as easily as operating your application as usual. Autify has two available services. Autify for Web lets you test browser-based applications, and Autify for Mobile provides support for iOS and Android testing. What we've found is that once people realized how easily they could create tests, they started to ask what sorts of tests they should make. What would most improve their software quality? In response to this, we've released a new service called Autify Step Suggestions, which can be used together with Autify for Web. We've made the service available as a Chrome extension. To use it, make sure you have it installed before you start recording a new scenario. We use AI to analyze the content of the target web page and give you suggestions on what to test. All you need to do is select the suggestion you want to proceed with and record the rest of your scenario. If you're not happy with the suggestions you get, you can click the cross button and we'll generate 3 new ones. Deleted suggestions get sent back to Autify and are used to improve the AI. The service currently supports both English and Japanese. If you're not already using Autify for Web, sign up for a free trial now. Install the Step Suggestions browser extension and try it out for yourself today.